Traveling in 2025 can feel like chaos. Lost bags, endless delays, and stress at every checkpoint. But it doesn't have to be that way. In this video, I'll share 18 genius travel hacks that will save you money, time, and headaches. And stick around for hack number 1. Almost nobody does it, yet it's the ultimate safety net every traveler needs. Subscribe now so you never miss Airlines' best-kept secrets. First, stop folding clothes the old way. Rolling saves space, reduces wrinkles, and makes everything easier to see at a glance. But the real game changer? Packing cubes. These little organizers turn your bag into a filing cabinet. Security wants to check something? Boom. You just pull out one cube instead of your entire bag exploding on the table. TSA checks are faster, your clothes stay neat, and you instantly know where everything is. I've tested this on both budget airlines and international flights. It never fails. Combine rolling with cubes, and you'll swear your carry-on doubled in size. Hack number 17 is so simple, but travelers constantly forget it. Wear your heaviest and bulkiest items on the plane. Jackets, boots, or even that oversized hoodie. Don't waste luggage space on them. Airports and planes are freezing anyway, so layering up is practical. Plus, airlines are stricter than ever with carry-on weight limits in 2025. I've seen people get charged $75 just for an overweight cabin bag, all because their coat was inside instead of on them. Save money, save space, and stay warm. It's one of the easiest wins you can grab on every trip. Shoes are the dirtiest thing you'll pack, and tossing them into your luggage bear is a rookie move. Grab cheap shower caps. They slide right over soles, keeping clothes fresh and clean. Bonus hack. Use the inside of your shoes for hidden storage. Slip a small pouch with emergency cash, backup credit card, or even an AirTag tracker inside. Thieves rarely check shoes, so it's an underrated security hack. Just remember to keep essentials like your passport in your carry-on, shoe covers plus secret storage, clean bag, extra protection. See? Don't be that person. Wear it, don't pack it. Now I've got a question for you. What's the dumbest thing you've ever packed and never used? Drop it in the comments. I'll feature the funniest answers in a future video. Hack number 15. Choose a hard-shell suitcase over fabric. Soft-sided bags are easy targets. A box cutter or even a pen can slice them open in seconds. Thieves love them because they can steal without leaving obvious damage. A hard-shell case made of polycarbonate or aluminum? Much tougher to break into and more weather-resistant too. Yes, they're a little heavier, but in 2025, airlines weigh carry-ons, not checked bags, so this trade-off is worth it. Your belongings stay protected from rain, rough handling, and most importantly, theft. Think of it as a shield for your stuff. Hack 14 is about zippers. Every extra zipper is a weak spot. In fact, thieves can open most standard zippers with just a pen. It's called the ballpoint trick. Scary, right? The fix. Look for luggage with anti-puncture zippers. They're reinforced so pens or knives can't slide them open. And try to minimize external compartments. The fewer access points, the harder it is to tamper with. Bonus. If TSA or airline staff need to check your bag, everything stays organized and you won't find your belongings shoved back in like a laundry basket. Smart zippers. Smart security. Hack 13 is cheap but powerful. Tamper evident seals or even basic zip ties. Here's the trick. Thieves usually go for the easiest target. If your zippers are sealed, they'll likely move on. Even if someone cuts it, you'll instantly know your bag's been touched. Use brightly colored ties. They're visible from a distance, making tampering obvious. You can buy official security seals online, but even dollar store zip ties do the job. Just pack a nail clipper in your carry-on so you're not stuck trying to rip them off at baggage claim. Small cost, big peace of mind. Hack 12 is one of the smartest moves in 2025. Hide a GPS tracker inside your luggage. Apple AirTag, Tile, or Samsung SmartTag. These devices are tiny, affordable, and give you real-time updates on your bag's location. Airlines lose bags more often than they admit, but with a tracker, you've got proof. There was a traveler in Madrid who literally tracked his bag to a cafe across town while the airline swore it was still in Paris. He got it back because he had the evidence. A tracker can save hours of stress, and possibly your whole trip. Hack 11. TSA pre-check or global entry. If you travel even twice a year, this is worth every penny. With pre-check, you keep your shoes, belt, and jacket on, and laptops stay in your bag. That alone cuts your wait time by 50–70%. Add global entry, and you'll breeze back into the U.S. with automated kiosks instead of hour-long customs lines. In 2025, airports are more crowded than ever, yet pre-check lines are still a secret shortcut most travelers don't bother with. The cost? About what airlines charge for one overweight bag. The payoff? Years of stress-free security. You'll feel like a VIP without spending VIP money. Hack 10 is simple, but it saves money every single trip. Bring a reusable water bottle. You can't take liquids through security, but you can carry an empty bottle and refill it once you're past TSA. Most airports now have free water stations, and if they don't, you can ask at a cafe to fill it. Why pay $5, $7 for bottled water every time? Plus, dehydration on planes makes jet lag worse, so having water on hand is a health hack too. I carry a collapsible bottle that takes no space in my bag. It's eco-friendly, wallet-friendly, and travel-smart. Don't let airports drain your cash one sip at a time. Hack 9. Always travel with a portable charger, and always screenshot your boarding pass. Airports are charging deserts. Outlets are scarce, already taken, or broken. A slim power bank guarantees your phone survives boarding, delays, or those last-minute Uber calls. And here's the twist. Airline apps sometimes glitch or need internet. If your battery dies or Wi-Fi fails, your screenshot saves the day. I once saw a traveler miss a flight because their app froze at the gate. Never risk it. Portable charger plus screenshot for stress-proof boarding. If you'd love to skip airport stress, smash like. It tells me to make more videos like this. Hack 8 is a digital trick most travelers overlook. Use a VPN when searching for flights. Airlines and booking sites adjust prices based on your location, browsing history, and even the device you use. By switching your virtual location with a VPN, you can often unlock lower fares. Try searching from a country with a weaker currency or simply clear your cookies before checking prices again. I've personally seen the same flight drop by $150 just by toggling my VPN. It's a simple hack that takes 60 seconds and can save you hundreds over a year. Stop letting algorithms decide what you pay, flip the script, and outsmart them. Hack 7 is all about timing. Book flights on Tuesdays or Wednesdays. Airlines release fare sales early in the week and competitors match prices within 24 hours. By Wednesday night, you'll usually find the lowest fares available. Avoid Fridays and Sundays. Those are peak booking days when prices spike. And when you actually fly, midweek departures are often cheaper and less crowded. I recently flew the same route. Sunday was $450. Wednesday was $280. That's $170 saved just by shifting dates. Flexibility equals savings, and the calendar can be your wallet's best friend. Hack 6. Travel rewards cards aren't just about points. The hidden benefits are where the value lies. The right card includes built-in travel insurance, trip delay coverage, and even lost luggage protection. That's hundreds saved if things go wrong. And the best perk? Lounge access. Instead of spending $40 on overpriced airport food, you relax in a lounge with free Wi-Fi, meals, and even showers on long layovers. I've gotten more value from the perks than the points themselves. If you travel at least twice a year, a good rewards card pays for itself fast and makes your journey way more comfortable. Hack 5. Never mark your bag with fragile or priority. It sounds helpful, but in reality, those labels can backfire. Fragile bags often get thrown into special bins where they're more likely to be mishandled. Priority tags, they signal to thieves that something valuable might be inside. Keep your luggage ordinary and unremarkable. It's the safest way to travel. If you really need protection, invest in good packing, not flashy labels. Sometimes the best way to keep your bag safe is to make it invisible. Would you rather save $200 on flights or skip the TSA line? Let me know below. Hack 4. Don't rely on Wi-Fi or roaming data to get around. Before you even leave home, download offline maps on Google Maps or Maps.me for your destination. That way, even if your phone goes offline, you can still search addresses, get directions, and find nearby restaurants. Pair this with an offline translation app like Google Translate. It lets you download entire languages so you can ask for directions, read menus, or negotiate taxis without internet. I've used this in rural Japan and small towns in Spain, and it literally saved me from being stranded. Data fails, but preparation doesn't. Offline tools turn travel stress into confidence. Hack 3. Skip overpriced taxis by using local transport apps. Nearly every major city has them, from Citymapper and Move It to local metro and bus apps. They show real-time schedules, route changes, and ticket prices, often in English. You'll save a fortune compared to airport taxis or tourist traps. In Bangkok, a $25 cab ride became a $2 SkyTrain trip thanks to the app. Plus, apps often let you buy digital tickets, so no more fumbling for local coins. It's cheaper, faster, and safer. Download before you land, and you'll travel like a local instead of a lost tourist. Hack 2. One of the best ways to explore a new city is free walking tours. Dozens of cities around the world offer them daily. You just tip the guide what you feel it's worth at the end. These aren't boring history lectures. Guides are usually locals with insider tips, shortcuts, and hidden gems you would never find on your own. I once learned about a secret food alley in Prague that wasn't on any map, only because of a free tour. It's the perfect mix of culture, orientation, and budget-friendly fun. Just Google free walking tour, plus the city you're visiting, and you'll find options. Hack 1 is the single smartest move every traveler should make. Get travel insurance. Even if your bag disappears in Rome or your flight gets canceled in Dubai, insurance turns a nightmare into a detour. Policies often cover lost or delayed luggage, canceled flights, medical emergencies, and even hotel costs when things go wrong. I've seen travelers stranded at airports for days, while others with insurance were reimbursed within hours and continued their trip stress-free. Think of it as your ultimate backup plan. The parachute you hope you never need, but are grateful for when you do. It's cheap, powerful, and the real difference between disaster and peace of mind. Today you learned how to pack smarter, secure your luggage, hack TSA, save money on flights, and explore destinations stress-free. From now on, you're not just a traveler. You're the one who breezes through airports while everyone else is stuck fumbling in line. Subscribe right now for more travel hacks every single week. And if you want to beat airlines at their own game, click right here for my genius carry-on method. It's the trick that saves hundreds in baggage fees and gets you through TSA even faster.